Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today we're going to be doing a try-on haul featuring HALARA. So big shout out to HALARA for partnering with me on today's video to share with you some of my must-haves for this summer. If you haven't checked out HALARA, I don't know where you've been. You know my obsession is so insanely real, but they have provided a code which is KellyF, which will save you 20% off at checkout. So I wanted to share with you some of my favorites that I have repurchased in multiple colors, or I'm just now trying and need them in multiple colors. So let's go ahead and jump in. You guys know I did a whole skirt video. I will throw that here as well as up in the cards, where I reviewed a lot of different styles of their skirts, but I feel like there are some that I hadn't tried. So I wanted to try specifically this one. It's more of a flat panel, very slim, very sleek fitting skirt, which almost looks like it's not athletic-y, which is something that I love from HALARA, is they have things that you can wear working out, but there's other things that you can dress to wear outside of working out. Athleisure, if you will. So I love this. I showed this with a top that I'm going to share with you in just a couple of minutes, but I love this color. Any style that you like, they probably have in at least 5 colors, and they're always adding more. Their color selection is so amazing, but I liked this a lot. I think this would honestly be cute. I showed it with a shirt, but I think it would be cute with a white little tank and a denim jacket or something like that, with a pair of white crispy white sneaks, and you'd be good to go for a very I don't know, casual sort of daytime running errands. But I love this. Has the built-in shorts with the pockets, like all HALARA shorts, and I think the back little seam detail is super cute. Color, it's kind of like a gray blue, and I love this. I think the style of that and just the sleekness of it is super cute. And this is a completely other side of the round, but I do not have a pleated skirt from them, and I specifically do not have a pleated skirt that has this fun accordion style pleat. I love this. Again, I showed it with the same top that I was wearing, but you could pair this so many different ways. All black would be so cute, like a tight black top with these and some sneakers. Black visor, so cute. Okay, so cute. Again, this fits true to size. I will have all my sizing linked down below. I feel like HALARA does a really good job at telling you what the model is wearing and how your size can compare to that, but I'm pretty much always true to size in a small for this, and sometimes I get a medium in the top, but I have been going to small and being fine with it. But again, built-in shorts underneath, sleek and cute. Have the pockets on both sides, so if you're playing tennis, if you're going for a walk and you need a place to put your phone or your AirPod case or something like that, they've got it. Lip gloss, all the things. And then it also has the back zipper pocket as well, which I like for my key and things like that, so that it's ultra secure. You don't have to worry about anything falling out. But absolutely love how cute this is, and I love the accordion style pleats. I think it is so feminine, so adorable. This top, you guys, my Pilates studio, I feel like I'm always talking about my Pilates studio that has yet to open, but I swear it's opening in the end of this month, I think. Yeah, I signed on as a beginner member, and I regret doing that because it's been 4 months and they still are not open. But this top is going to be so cute for Pilates. This could even be cute for mat Pilates, which I'm currently doing. I feel like I get in the habit of wearing the same kind of clothes to every single workout class, but in reality I can kind of switch it up because I don't do high impact workouts a lot of times. Sometimes I'll do cardio, but not always. So this top I thought would be so cute for a low impact sort of workout, but it's still very hold you in secure. But it's just so freaking cute. So I love the square neckline. The color of this is kind of like a salmon coral, if you will. The back is nice because, hear me out, this could work for any workout because the back is secure. This tie detail is simply just for looks. I mean, it does tighten a little bit because it's attached to it, but the back is already strappy and done. So I have a top that looks exactly like this from the back, but it doesn't have these little strings. So I thought these strings are so cute and very ballet. Ooh, my bar class. Why do I not wear this stuff to my bar class? So cute. So love this. Again, we'll go with so many different colors, navy blue, grays, anything like that. So adorable, and they have it in a bunch of different colors. Before we move into dresses, which are the highlight, I had this is my third pair, maybe even my fourth pair of their walking running shorts. So freaking good. I love these things so much. They've got kind of that like scalloped detail with the mesh at the bottom. I get these in a medium though. I will say I get them in a medium. I size up in these because I don't like when running shorts are too tight on me or walking shorts are too tight on me. And these at a medium fit pretty secure and pretty snug on me. And they do have the adjustable waistband with the tie, but I love these. Again, built-in shorts so you don't get any thigh chafing, but you have the overlay so you don't feel super exposed. There's nothing I would change about these shorts. They're my absolute favorite. I guess one thing I would note, it's not a deal breaker for me because I always bring my like bum bag with me, but these actually don't have pockets in the shorts, so keep that in mind. But I still think they are perfection. I think they don't have pockets in the shorts because they're meant to be a running short, so you don't really carry big bulky things with you when you're running, like in your shorts, because it would pull them down. So I always just carry a bum bag for my walks and it's perfect. This dress, you guys, I didn't think I would love this as much as I do. This is so freaking cute and it's so freaking practical, especially if you're going someplace that's like cutesy but you're gonna be on the ground or you're gonna be running around with your toddler. It's so cute. I saw a dress similar to this and I didn't know where it was from because the influencer didn't tell me, but I'm not gatekeeper, so I'm gonna tell you. So this actually has removable shorts, not the full bodysuit, so it has the removable shorts. So again, so easy. Adjustable straps, so it's got the top and it's got the bottoms fully built in, so you don't need to wear a bra because this thing holds you, sucks you, binds you, nothing's coming out. But it has the shorts underneath it, but it has this beautiful overlay that's like so flirty and so fun. And the overlay is in a really light, flowy material, so it's not the same like kind of spandexy material as this. It's almost the same material as the running shorts. So very moisture wicking, so breathable, and honestly, I love this way more than I thought I would, and I honestly feel like I'm gonna get a ton of wear out of it. So again, throw it on with like a denim jacket if it's cooler in the evening, but I thought this would be cute. We found this little spot when we were going out for 4th of July. It's Elk Grove. There's like a water park area and then there's like a concert area, and we watched a concert. We watched Casey and the Sunshine Band, and it was so much fun, and a dress like this would have been perfect for it with a pair of cute sneakers. Good to go. Okay, this next dress I also now own in 3 different colors, and I'm going to continue to get more. This classic fit I feel like is the most flattering, perfect tennis dress ever. I can't get over it. And their white is not sheer or see-through. Comes with little white shorts underneath with the pockets. Again, these are not see-through as well. I freaking love this dress. You can zip it all the way up for a very clean, classic look, or zip it down. But I have this in navy and I have it in black, and now I have it in whites. If you have not gotten this dress, this is the one thing that this is my like #1 pick. This is my second pick, but this is like my #1 pick. It's literally the perfect summer dress. And I love that it has the shorts attachable so you can choose, or detach so you can choose when is the appropriate time to wear something like that. Because like this is a full bodysuit. When people ask me my preference between the Abercrombie Traveler dress or the HALARA dresses, it's 1000% the HALARA dresses. Abercrombie's are good, but first they're way too short, like way too short. Like even me with the regular, I'm not even that tall. Like I would need to get the tall if I ever bought one again, but I wouldn't. The other thing with the Abercrombie dress is the top layover is like a flishy material that kind of rides up and gathers weirdly in my chest, where this is just the same buttery. If you like Lululemon Align, this is like the same buttery feeling. It's a bit thicker, which is nice because it sucks you in. So much better. Full bodysuit underneath, built-in shelf bra. It does have cups that you can remove or keep. It has the twisted little back with adjustments. It's literally my favorite thing, and I realized when it was 4th of July that I have very little that's red, and I'm coming to the conclusion that I like this sort of pinky red. So yeah, I got it. So I love this. This is definitely by far my favorite athletic dress ever, and if you haven't checked out HALARA, you really should. They have amazing quality and amazing stuff. yeah, that I now own in multiple colors. I have an entire drawer exclusively for my HALARA stuff because I love it that much. And when it's winter, I'm living in their jogger. So I love you guys so much. I hope you found this video helpful, informative. I hope you like the try on with the sizing information and whatnot. And do not forget to use my code KellyF if you're planning to pick anything up from the site. All of the details will be in the description box down below. Big shout out again to HALARA for partnering with me on this video. You guys will see many, many more because you know my obsession with the HALARA is, it runs deep. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video really, really soon. Bye.